Really a great honor to have all of you here, and thank you for all your support, your blessings. We're glad to have here Mr. Pinto from Alfaris, Mr. Abdulaziz from Hamriya Free Zone, who've been of great support and cooperation over the period of time. And I'd like to thank all of you for being here, over the period to push Sham and me along, support us, family, friends. You have always been here for us. I'd like to thank the entire staff of MCC and HOP who worked really hard for the last 3, 4, 5 years with us in putting this event together since the last 1 week, and who've helped our business grow. And I'd like to introduce Mr. Nair. Thank you, Mr. Nair, for accepting Sham and my invitation to head this new division, retail. Mr. Nair comes with huge experience. He has over 35-40 years here in the retail market, and this is going to be his baby. And I'd like to thank, at home, full support for Sham and me from Sandhya and Sylvia. Without support from home, Sham and I would not be where we are today. And last but not the least, I personally would like to thank Sham, because alone, I would not be anywhere. With both of us, we are where we are today. Now it will Sham will explain more about the business and the company.
As usual, talked a lot. Good morning, guys. Thanks for coming here. Thanks to everyone. Friday morning, coming here. Thanks a lot. Okay, today, what we have started here today is Super Steel Trading. It's a retail division of ours. So today we finished the whole cycle. We started off with Hot Steel, which is a back-to-back business. Then we started Metal Care Center, which was processing and supplying to the manufacturers. Then we started DNA in Russell Khaimer, which was for international business minus GCC. And today with Super Steel, we have ventured into the retail market. So we would be selling it like layman terms, supermarket. Steel supermarket where you can buy 1 piece, 2 piece and all that. And this would be headed by Mr. Nair, and he would be assisted by Mr. Vivek, who has been promoted from Metal Care to Super Steel because of his good performance. Keep it up. But saying all that, about the company and all that, all this wouldn't have been possible but for Mr. Pinto, who trusted us. Today, there was nobody who believed us when we started out. It was only Mr. Pinto who supported us and trusted us. So thank you, sir. We are here because of you. And thanks to Mr. Abdulaziz, who has been a great source of help for us. Other than that, my friends, who has been my family, how do I say? They have always stood by me. To begin with, Sanal here, who's like a brother to me. So I'll take more time. He is my brother. Like Sanal, Joby, always been there with me. Cheta, Chichi, they are elders, like the whole Bombay group. They are brother-in-law and sister-in-law. And Cheta, I won't forget what you said, I will not forget the way I have come in life. I won't forget the people who have helped me. So thank you, Cheta. And all my friends from Bombay who have especially come down from Bombay. Bunty, thank you, Anna. This guy, he has been with me right from my childhood. My weakest moment when I lost my mom, he has been there. Javed, always there for us, anything in Bombay, any help, he is always there. And Shri, he is my childhood friend and he's always been there with me. And then my Bombay and Dubai friends. Dubai friends, one guy who has been my biggest critic and a good advisor, Santosh. I can call him at 2 o'clock and I'm sure he'll abuse me. Thanks for everything, Santosh. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Santosh. Ram, thanks for coming. Charles. And who else? Mithun, Jyoti, Cheta, Kunji. Who else? And saying this, coming to my company, my colleagues, the first person I would like to thank is Bhai Kumar. Me and Patrick, we trust him. We have given MCC to him to run. And today, everything, like whatever we're doing in MCC, he's the person who's handling the whole thing. The money, everything. If me and Patrick, we are not there, it's Kumar. So Bhai, thanks a lot for everything. Then my colleagues, Srijit, who's my right-hand man, he practically runs the company when we are not there. Ramesh, Charan has been promoted and brought here to Super Steel. Ramendran, and my team, I would like to thank them. Ganesh, Vikas, Ronnie, Ramesh, our new sales guy, Sunny. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep it up. And what else? Who else? Nobody else, right? But anyway, after thanking everybody, thanks a lot for coming on a Friday morning. I'm sorry to have called you on a Friday morning, but that was the only time which was possible. Driving all the way to Ajman, thanks once again. I'll just request Pinto Saab to say a few words in fact, sorry. Just a few words.
Thank you very much, Shyam. It is my pleasure to be your friend and your advisor. I wish you all the best for your business and your success. And I pray to God to give you more success and more business to prosper. Thank you very much.
Just 3 words.
Shyam and Patrick, very good friend, and I was really happy about this new facility, and the facility in Hamriya is growing day by day. It's growing in front of us and we can see it, alhamdulillah. And they're working very hard. Wish you all the best, inshallah.
Thank you, sir.
And in future, we want to see the next land also for you, inshallah.
Ameen, yeah. That's up to Patrick. Hey, first of all, I'm sorry. I didn't thank my family here. I forgot. I'm sorry.
Without family support, nothing is here.
Nothing. In fact, I would like to say this, when we started Hot Steel, the 2 people who practically ran the company was Sylvie and Sandhya. Like Sylvie is the ex-boss actually, the ex-owner of the company. So, and Sandhya and Sylvie, thanks a lot. I'm sorry. And Patrick, he's always there with me, so I don't need to thank him. Sir, just a few words.
It is my honor to invite our special chief guest, Mr. Pinto, and our officers, and our directors, and all of you here. Today, we are here to celebrate the opening of our new division called Super Steel Trading. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Shyam Pillai and Patrick D'Souza for giving full faith and freedom, and I know it is my responsibility to see that their demands are met. It is going to be a tough this thing as far as steel is concerned, but with the support of our colleagues and supporting staff, I think we can do better. And coming days, we will see that our directors' decisions and demands are met. Thank you.
finally, thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Let's